In today's highly connected information age, educators have a moral obligation to empower students with the skills and dispositions of lifelong learners, to support and teach them to become creative, critical thinkers, collaborative, globally connected problem solvers, and responsible citizens who strive to make the world a better place. Educators at this school connect curricular expectations to the interests and needs of their students. Students have choice in topic and in how they research and present their learning. They're fully committed to their learning because they recognize that it is relevant to their lives. They see the value of what they're learning, and they see that it is transferable to other contexts within and beyond their school. In this resource, you will meet educators who design and support powerful learning experiences that engage their students. They provide in-the-moment assessment and instruction to meet student needs and push learning forward. Students have ready access to information. The focus at this school is on both the process and content of learning. Students learn about themselves as learners, and they learn how to work as a team, challenge each other's ideas, and build new knowledge together. You will meet a principal who is deeply committed to working with her staff to make this a reality for the students at their school. She takes risks and expects the same from her teachers and students. She believes in them and empowers them with the tools they need to succeed. She and her teachers are co-learners and co-designers of learning experiences and spaces, as well as co-assessors of the impact of their work. They build relationships based on trust, high expectations, and strong moral purpose. They see their students and parents as partners in the learning. Teachers' roles vary depending on student needs. They move in and out of learning as facilitators, guides, co-learners, co-designers, and instructors. You'll hear teachers speak about the struggle they experience as they learn to share the responsibility for learning with their students. They're fully engaged throughout the teaching-learning cycle as they constantly create and support opportunities for students to learn independently, to struggle, and to make mistakes. This resource documents student engagement in authentic inquiry. Students ask real questions and tap into a variety of primary and secondary resources. They learn to be critical thinkers and creators of new knowledge. They move to new levels of learning as they expand their understanding of the world by questioning ideas and building on the thinking of others. Technology accelerates learning and connects students with experts across the globe. It provides space for ideas to live, be revisited, and be improved. Students engage in integrated learning throughout their inquiries. They identify problems and seek solutions. They study blueprints, collect and analyze data, and work collaboratively as they delve into their findings. They recognize each other's strengths. They learn to manage their time and tasks and critically review each other's work. They develop conclusions and new ideas, and then design representations to communicate their new learning with peers, parents, and community members. Teachers and students assess constantly to determine next steps to maximize learning. They discuss what's working and what is not, and ask how they might do things differently. Students cope with challenges and learn to be responsible, to manage their time, and to have the courage to take risks and make mistakes. Students learn to linger over ideas, to dig deeper for meaning. They learn to have an open mind, to value different perspectives, and to think independently. They learn to be action-oriented, always asking, how can I make this better? They learn to express themselves clearly, to disagree and challenge in an agreeable way, and to think creatively and critically. This resource demonstrates both how to achieve excellence in student learning, well-being, and equity, and how public confidence deepens when parents and community members understand and value a neighborhood school committed to providing rich learning experiences for its students. Everyone learns to appreciate the struggle that new learning brings to the fore. Thank you for taking the time to engage with this resource. You can find other related resources at learnteachlead.ca. I congratulate you on your professionalism and look forward to future opportunities to share Ontario's success stories. Thank you for your role in making that happen.